Hi, I'm Craig with ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we'll be showing you how to install the O3 Pure Eco Laundry Wash System. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. You will need the following tools to complete this installation. Now we've went ahead and unboxed everything, put on a protective surface here so I can show you what it comes with. Of course, we have the O3 Pure Eco Laundry System itself, pretty light, not too big. We have the mounting template. You'll see on the top, we have the holes on how to mount it. We'll get back to that in just a little bit whenever we do the install. We have a screwdriver as well as screws and drywall anchors to install it. We have a new provided water line to go from the ecosystem to the washing machine. Of course, we have our power cord here, and on the bottom, we have the Eco Laundry Systems Handbook. Now, when we're starting with the install, what I want you to do is push your unit all the way against the wall. That way, we can kind of see where it's going to be placed at. Based off of the mounting template here, it says it should be placed approximately 8 inches above the actual washing machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit it up here and just somewhat line it up. I'm going to put this little piece of tape on here to hold it. Now, I'm going to get another piece of tape just to put it on here. I'm gonna hold it out and get the level. Put the level on here. That looks about right. Let's put that tape across there to secure it. Check it one more time. Looks good. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to drill right through the holes. Since we are working with drywall, we have our drywall anchors. Use a drill the appropriate size. Go through the first one. Go through the second one. Let's go ahead and pull this off. Clean up our work area here. And use your drill and just kind of go around to loosen it up a little bit. Next, I'm going to lay my tools up here. We're going to get the drywall anchors. Start to put them in here. Just tap them in with a little hammer. Looks nice. Let's make sure the other one fits. Perfect. All right, those are nice and snug. Now, let's get our Phillips screws that were provided. Start to go in these anchors. You want to leave them out a little bit so we can tighten them after it's been mounted. So we'll put them in there, and now let's get our ozone unit. Next, with our ozone system itself, the first thing you're going to want to do is lift up on the back. There is a small locking tab on the back, so simply pop up to remove that. Now you also have 2 locking tabs, one on each side. After you've done the one in the back, press in on this locking tab and push down. We will do the same for the other side. Push in on the locking tab and start to separate it. You'll pull up and disassemble the unit here so we can install it. When mounting it, we got our handy dandy screwdriver that was included. What we're going to do is you'll see that it has these 2 slotted areas for the screws to fit in. Let's go on one side, let's go on the other side and drop it down. Now, what I want you to do is get your level. Put your level on top of it again. If it is even the littlest bit off, you do have just a little bit of room to play. So line it up, use your screwdriver and tighten these screws. And this will hold it on the wall, and you can get it as level as you need it to be just by moving it just a little bit. And that is dead on. We'll take that off. Next, we need to slide the casing back on. You'll see these side slots here. They correspond with these on the casing. So what you'll do is you'll press it back, line it up, drop it down, drop down the top here, and this will lock it into place. Now we'll go ahead and install the water lines. We went ahead and pulled the washing machine out because we are going to need to access the back of it. I brought our power cord up here and a couple of things. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to connect the hot water to the back of the washing machine. Now the hot water is not going to be used, but it is advised to connect the hot water to your machine as it's operating. You will keep it off. The next thing we'll do is get the cold water. On the actual O3 system, you'll see a cold water inlet portion here. That's where we want to plug the cold water on this machine. Next, we will use the provided hose that they gave us. Let's snip off the zip ties here. And there are two washers. What we'll want to do is put the washers inside the hose, one on each side. This is going to provide a good seal. Next, this side goes to the outlet to washer port on the O3 system. And then bring this down to the cold water on your washing machine. I'm going to use a pair of pliers to tighten it up. Let's go ahead and start to tighten this side up. And of course, tighten this side. Next, we will undo the line around the power cord. Get this garbage out of the way here. Plug your power cord first into the O3 system. Your line is on the side here. Plug it in. Next, we'll bring our power cord over. Weave it behind the water lines. Go ahead and plug it in the wall. It should make a beep. And then when you are turning the cold water on, make sure you do it slowly. And this will turn the cold water onto the machine. We will remove our mat. And that completes the installation for your O3 Pure Eco Laundry Wash System. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.